Okay, here I am leaning on a brand new A3 laminator. That is a big machine. This will do up to 13 inches, both cold and thermal, hot. Plus it includes a whole bunch of other cool little gadgets. So what we're gonna do in this video is I'm gonna open it up, talk about the features, take a look at what comes with the package, and then we're gonna laminate some stuff. How fun is that? I love that. If you don't know, I used to race cars and I used to laminate all the instructions and checklists and stuff. So I'm a happy laminator. All right, let's get back to unboxing it and see what's inside here. Okay, this comes with 30 sheets. Not only are they 30 sheets, but look at the size of these. They're massive, as well as like the small normal size. I think that's huge. That's a cool value add, if you ask me, when it comes with everything you need. Comes with a little corner trimmer, little round corner trimmer. Those are like little junky kind of things, but nice to have if you don't have one, just, you know, for your first start. This is a paper cutter, one of those precise paper cutters so that you could get your, whatever you're gonna laminate, the right shape before you start. And then here is the laminator itself in black. Let's take a look at it. It's stylish black, right? This isn't just some basic machine, this is stylish black. Okay, I think there's only one thing left to do, right? We need to plug this in. I'll have to try it cold first, and then we'll try it hot style. We'll see which one works the best. I thought it'd be kind of fun just to laminate our business cards. Seemed like a fair little test of it. All right, here we go. In case you didn't know, we have a YouTube page. That's the two of us in Wadi Rum in Jordan. It was a great video, great trip. All right, let's turn it on. It's on the cold setting. Okay, that's the problem. It doesn't come with the cold laminating material. So I'm gonna just demonstrate to you the hot laminating. All right, let me crank up the heat. The Doug and Nikki business card. Hey, while this is laminating, if this kind of content's helpful for you, one of those down there is really helpful for us. We really appreciate that. Ooh, look at that. That is, I'm just looking at it closely just to make sure it's really fully laminated so I don't give you some sort of junky answer. That is completely laminated. All right, turn that off. What do you say we try that corner cutter that I wasn't so impressed with earlier? Slide that in there. Okay, well, I may not have been impressed, but it definitely rounds the corners nicely. Feels so official now. I feel like I should be like, we are Doug and Nikki from YouTube. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. I'm gonna have to say, I'm gonna give this, I can only give it a 4 out of 5 because I don't know if the cold lamination worked. The hot worked perfectly. The whole system, everything else worked perfectly. I'm thrilled with the amount of material that comes with it. I think that's a big value add. So again, a 4 out of 5. And I'm gonna recommend this. This thing is super cool. I hope that was helpful. I am Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'll see you next time.